Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix random stuttering and frame drops on Overwatch 2. So the first thing what you can do here, you can open up Battle.net and then you need to press this little gear icon here, go to game settings here, and then on additional command line and arguments, you need to just write this minus sign and threads, threads 2, and then restart everything and try to launch the game. And if the problem persists, I will show you in game what you need to tweak in order to don't have these problems, right? So when you are in game, you just need to press, as you can see here, escape button, and then go to options, and then go to video and video again. And what you can do here, you can turn off dynamic render scale mode here, right? And after you've done this, then on render scale, make sure that it's on custom and it is on 100%, and see if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to cap your frame rate. So make it to custom, and depending on what your monitor is available, I would like to set up to 144 and see if the problem persists or not. And if persists, then try to lower FPS to 60 or maybe even 30. I know it's not fun to play with 30 FPS, but give it a try and look if the game is stuttering and frame is dropping or not. But I believe 144 should be fine if your monitor capable of 144 FPS. All right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.